Great day everybody, I'm Dan again and welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another Valorant tutorial, and in today's video I would like to show you all of Viper post-plant lineups that you should know on map Breeze. So let's go for it. Okay, let's begin with lineups towards side A. First of all, let's say that your spike is planted on default and you are in front of the cave. For this you can jump here on those stones to the maximum as you can, and then when you will look at those leaves, so there are going like one leaves out and there is like whatever, so you will aim towards this part of the leaves and just shoot there the molly. Voila, perfect molly on default. Another way how you can send your molly towards the default from this position is that you will stand here towards the middle of this like pillar or whatever it is, so towards the middle, and then as you can see here this like rounded thing, so we will aim towards the top of it, but not with crosshair but actually with the line that is under the 100. That means with the line that is under the number of your toxicity or whatever. So like this you will set the line at the top of this round thing and just send the molly. Voila, another perfect molly towards default. In case you want to throw Viper's molly towards default from mid, you can come here towards the right side of those doors, so towards the middle, and then as you can see here those leaves, so we will aim towards the top of this, but not like with crosshair, but actually with this crosshair that is right now above the Viper smokes, so like this, and just send the molly. Voila, molly on a default side from mid. Okay, so next let's say that you have planned at the backside. So for this, when you are at this position in front of cave, you can again come here to this position towards the middle, and you will aim towards the same round thing like before, but now you will aim not towards the top of it, but actually towards the bottom of this round thing, again with the same line under the 100. So like this, and just shoot. Voila, perfect molly to the backside towards the plant. Okay, next let's say that you are in the A main and you want to again send molly towards the backside plant. So for this you can come here towards this line, this dark line. Then you will look at this like vent and you will aim towards the bottom right corner and just shoot the molly. As you can see, it perfectly bounced from this vent or whatever and dropped towards the backside plant. Okay, next let's say that you have plant between pyramids and you want to send here the Viper's Molotov. For this you can again come to the top of those stones to the max as you can, and as we before aimed toward this leaf, now we will aim towards this leaf. That means there are two like, so one leaf, second leaf, so we will aim towards this kind of leaf and just simply shoot the molly. Voila, perfect Viper's molly between pyramids. In case you have again planned between pyramids but you are in the tube, you can simply stand here towards the middle of this, whatever it is, towards the middle. You will crouch and then as you can see here this wood, so we will aim like almost towards the middle of this wood and just shoot the molly. And voila, another perfect molly between pyramids. And in case that you are hidden in this position during the plant and you have plant between pyramids, so as soon as somebody tap the bomb, you can simply line up yourself this edge of the wall with this part of the roof, so like this, while you are still with the back at the wall. So we'll line up those things and then you will just aim to the bottom of this triangle and send here the molly. Voila, again, perfect molly. Okay, and in case that you have planned at the complete back side of A, you can use this kind of molly from mid. So we will stand here towards this corner. And then, as you can see here, those like stones, so like there is this broken one, you will go from this broken part to the top of the upper one, but not too high because then it will not go as far as you need. So, to the top of this stone, to the level of this broken stone, so like here, and then you will simply jump through the molly. Voila, perfect molly towards backside A. And in case that you want to send your molly towards the corner of the pyramid, you can come here again in front of the cave. You will go towards this window, towards the middle, and then as you can see here, this corner. So we will aim here, but not with crosshair, but you will aim here with the bottom of your Viper toxic bar line. So like here, you will line them up and just send the molly. Voila, perfect molly on the corner of the pyramid. In case you are at the mid and you want to send again perfect molly towards the corner of pyramid, you will come again towards the middle of those doors. And while before we aim towards the top of the leaves, now we will aim towards the bottom. Again with the crosshair above the Viper's molly. So like here, before we aimed like here, a bit higher with this crosshair, now we will almost touch this bottom iron part with this crosshair. So like this, and just send the molly. And voila, again, perfect molly on the corner. Okay, so now let's go for the Viper postplant molotovs towards side B, and let's start with the default position. So for this, come here towards this water on the walls. So actually you will go towards this like water mark that is the lowest of them all. So like here, you will go towards this edge, and then as you can see here, this cannon, so we will aim with this line that we already used towards the A side, with this under the 100, you will go with this line straight across this cannon, so like here, and just throw the molly. And voila, perfect molly towards default. Another way how you can send your molly towards default is here. So from this position you will come towards corner with this cage or whatever, and then you will simply aim towards the end of this leaf and just send the molly. And voila, perfect molotov again. Okay, next let's say that you have again default planned, but you are actually at the mid position. For this you can come here at the top of those barrels. And then here, as you can see, this brick, so we'll aim towards this part as those bricks are meeting together, but not with crosshair, but actually with the left side of your UI. So under the 50 shield that you can see, you will aim towards this and just send the molly. And voila, again on default. And in case that you are hidden behind those boxes and you have planned for default, you can come here and then you will aim the molly like not towards this complete corner of this box, but like here with some gap, like let's say centimeter from both sides, and just send the molly. And voila, perfect molly towards default. Or another way how you can send the same molly is that you will come towards this second line of the canal, and as you can see here, this black line, so we will aim here with like this, again the same crosshair about the Viper molly, and then you will aim slightly towards the left, actually until the left side of this line under the 50 will touch the edge of the box, so like this. As you can see, the line under the 50 is touching the edge of the box and the crosshair is still on the top of the box, and you will just send the molly. Voila, you even mollied the box position. Okay, so now let's say that you have plant here at the corner of the box. So for this, simply come here towards the middle of this box, and then as you can see here, this corner of the wall, you will aim towards the corner and you will go to the top till you will hit the level of this like vent. So towards the corner and top till you will hit the level of vent, and just simply send the molly. Voila, perfect molly on box plant position. Okay, next let's say that you have again spike planted behind this box and you are at the mid area. For this you can use this simple lineup that you will come towards this wall, towards middle, and then as here is this big stone, so we'll aim towards the top left corner, but not with crosshair, but actually with this dot that is at the top of Viper Molotov ability picture. So like this, so we will aim with this dot towards this corner and just shoot the molly. And voila, again perfect molly. In case you have spike planted behind this box and you are again at this position, you can again come towards this watermark at the wall, and then you will aim again towards this cannon, but not with the line like before, but actually with the left side of orb. So like this, with the left side, to actually this cannon ending will be at the left side of this image, like here, and then you will just shoot the molly. Voila. In case you are playing post plant here behind those boxes and you have plant at this box, you can of course shoot the molly like this, but it can happen that it will not land towards the wall exactly. So in case you want to throw perfect molly towards this position, you can come here towards this corner, the top of the stone, and then as you can see here, those like waves on the top of the roof. So we will aim with your poison orb under this first wave, not exactly towards to actually touching it, but below, like this, and just send the molly. As you can see, we are still covered behind this box, and the molly dropped perfectly towards the post plant behind the box. Okay, and in case that you have again plant behind this box, but you are at the city, you can come here towards this corner of this box, and then here as you can see those leaves, this plant from the roof, so we'll aim under this, but again not with the crosshair, but actually with the toxic bar, with the 1, 2, 3, 4th line, and not actually totally close towards this plant, but a little bit below. So with the 4th line of the toxic bar under this plant, like this, and just simply shoot the molly. Voila, again perfect molly towards this position from the city. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. I really hope you found here what you came here for. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos on this channel, hit the subscribe and click on bell as well to be notified every time new video is online. Or if you want to support this channel and keep it ad free, you can join Skiller Squad, what will unlock you multiple perks on the channel as special loyalty badges, access to members only community posts, and your name will appear at the end of every new video. Also, you can follow me on my socials or follow Skill Up Dimension on socials as well to know everything about new videos, what you need to know, and also you can find their short tutorial posts as well. Okay, but now that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.